So we have been asked this question that asks us how do we decide on the destination that we're going to travel. So before we address that, I'm TK and this is my husband,
Mick.
And we are a travel couple. We have traveled over 25 countries combined. So we are just going to be sharing some tips on how we choose our destination. So the first thing that we do is we determine what kind of destination or what kind of vacation are we looking for. Are we looking to go more for just a relaxed vacation, not having much planned and just relaxed? Or are we looking to have a vacation where we can see historic adventures and activities? Or are we looking for a city vacation where we can have city tours?
I think generally we've been doing more the second type because we're going long haul. We tend to want to go and see things, and I sort of take the view, if you just want to go and have a week relaxing, why would you go to the other side of the world at that expense and travel for 10 to 12 hours when you could do something for a sort of 2-hour travel from the UK.
Yeah.
But obviously we just got married in Jamaica and we wanted 2 weeks of just enjoying and relaxing and chilling out, so we kind of did something different. But it all depends on what you want out of a holiday. But generally we're looking for countries that are different to where we've been before, that are safe to travel to, and that's how we sort of start finding a destination.
I think the second thing that we consider also is the time of year that we are able to travel. There are certain places where it's okay for you to go at the beginning of the year, but it would make sense if your travel time is mid-year or towards the end of the year. So mostly we travel in August to October and then January. So we consider also those kind of things, like this is the perfect time to travel based on, the time that we have.
Yeah, I think it's just worked out that as you've been based in South Africa, I've travelled over in January and we've done African countries in the south there in January because it's summertime with it being southern hemisphere. And then when you've come to the UK, we've tended to go either east to Asia or the other way to last year's South America. And we look at, that's when we've gone end of August, September, where the weather's been pretty good. So that's how it's just worked for us. But
the third thing that we look for is information on social media. We use TikTok a lot just to see, okay, this is the ideas that we have. Checking on TikTok and people and evergreen content of people that have been there. Is this the perfect place to go?
The first thing I will look at is UK